Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. So let's begin. The steps which I'm going to show you are same for both Android and iOS users. So first I want you to open your Instagram app, and once you are here, tap on the profile icon here on the bottom corner right side. Now tap on the three lines on the top corner right side. Tap on settings, tap on help, tap on help center. Again, I want you to tap on the three lines on the top right side. Tap on manage your account. Next, tap on delete your account. Now tap on how do I delete my Instagram account. Right here, tap here. Now scroll down a bit. Now you will find option like delete your account. Tap here. So now this page appears on your screen where the question is, why do you want to delete your Instagram account? So tap here. Here you find options. You have to select any one options. You can, I suppose, for example, I'll pick something else, or you can pick too many ads or can't find people to follow. So I'm gonna pick something else. Tap here, and next type in your Instagram password. And once you have entered your password, tap here delete, and once you tapped here, your Instagram will deactivate. Now you can log back in once if you want to like recover your Instagram account. You can obviously tap on your Instagram app and then again tap and put in all the details of Instagram account, and then you will be able to recover your Instagram account. Alright guys, so this is how you deactivate your Instagram account. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe. Bye guys, see you in the next video.